In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads in the Brave browser. If you want a cleaner, faster, and less distracting browsing experience, then blocking ads in Brave browser is a great place to start. One of the best things about Brave is that it already includes built-in protection against ads and trackers, so you don't need to install any additional extensions to get started. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of enabling Brave's ad blocking features and adjusting site-specific settings whenever needed. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer. If the browser is already running, bring the window to the front so you can easily follow along with each step. Once you're on the main browser screen, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the window and click the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. After the menu opens, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings page in a new tab, where you can manage the browser's privacy, security, and customization features. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see several categories listed vertically. From that sidebar, click on Shields. This section controls Brave's built-in protection system, which is designed to block ads, trackers, and other unwanted content while you browse the internet. Inside the Shields section, locate the option labeled Block Ads and Trackers. If the toggle is turned off, click it to enable the feature. Once activated, Brave will automatically begin blocking most advertisements and tracking scripts across websites you visit. This helps pages load faster, reduces distractions, and can even improve privacy while browsing online. One of the advantages of Brave Shields is that it works automatically in the background, so you don't have to constantly manage extra extensions or third-party tools. However, there may be times when certain websites require ads or scripts to function properly. If you ever need to adjust these settings for a specific website, open that site in Brave and click the Shields icon located to the right of the address bar. A small panel will appear with controls for that particular website. From there, you can turn ad and tracker blocking on or off depending on your preference. These changes apply only to the current website and can easily be changed again later. After enabling Shields or adjusting site settings, return to your open tabs and refresh the pages. Reloading the site forces Brave to apply the updated blocking settings so ads and trackers are removed properly during the page load process. And that's it. Your Brave browser is now configured to block ads and trackers for a smoother and more private browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.